Good Sunday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone has had a fantastic Sunday so far. I'm your meteorologist, Joseph Peterson, and let's go and talk about the weather for your Sunday. Now, looking at the radar right now, you can see that we do have a heavy line of storms right now moving through Rock Hill, Lancaster, Winsboro, Columbia, Barnwell, Allendale, as that is going to push its way all the way through to the coastal regions now. I'm going to turn this off real quick. But you can see as we go and scroll our way out and talk about the entire United States, we do have some more rain and some thunderstorm activity in Tennessee, Kentucky, also up here inside of Ohio, Pennsylvania, Canada getting some rain, Michigan getting some rain, Indiana, some isolated shower activity going on up here inside the Northeast. We also do have some heavy snow in Western Illinois and Wisconsin, as well as some heavy snow going on in the Northern Rockies up there in the northeastern not Minnesota, but Montana, and also some rain going on over here inside of the Pacific Northwest. Some very heavy rain and some heavy snow going on over there in those regions. Now going to our cloud cover, the entire state is covered with cloud cover right now. So right now it's looking like it's gonna be start off the day pretty cloudy as we go all the way into tonight. Though tonight it's looking like it's going to be a bit clearer, but overall, with that cold front pushing out, that cloud cover will push out with it, and then there'll be some clouds on the backside as we go into tomorrow morning, and even as we go into tomorrow night as well. Some cloud cover will still be there, but overall it's staying pretty clear out there as we get into like tomorrow night. Current temperatures right now: 68 in Columbia, as well as 64 in Lawrence, 64 in Whitmer, as well as 64 in Gilbert and Edgefield, 64 in Aiken, 70 in Holly Hill, as well as Somerville, 68 in Moncks Corner, as well as 68 in Charleston and Allendale, as well as 68 in Georgetown, 66 in Myrtle Beach, and 66 in North Myrtle Beach. In the upstate, 62 in Greenville and Spartanburg, as well as Gaffney, 62 in Clemson and Anderson, as well as 61 in Pickens and Walhalla. High temperatures for today: 74 in Anderson, as well as 74 in Greenville, 75 in Spartanburg, and 75 in Rock Hill, 76 in Newberry, 78 in Columbia, as well as 75 in Cheraw, 76 in Dillon, 71 in Myrtle Beach, as well as 74 Georgetown, 72 in Charleston, as well as 76 in Walterboro, 73 Hilton Head Island, and 78 in Aiken. In terms of peak sustained winds will be probably from around 15 to 20 miles per hour, maybe getting close to 25. With that cold front passing through, this is without any storms or anything like that. Just these gusts will be trying to get from, or these sustained winds will get from around 15 to 25 miles per hour, and gust will probably be from around 30 miles an hour all the way up to around 35, maybe trying to get close to 40 miles per hour in terms of these gusts. So overall, even without a storm, we can still see gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, even without a storm. So these gusty winds will still be pushing through. In terms of the severe weather for today, here's today's severe weather. You see, we do have a slight risk of severe weather. That's for Rock Hill, Columbia, Aiken, Florence, Myrtle Beach, Charleston, and Hilton Head Island. That is for a 2 out of 5 risk, a level 2 out of 5. That is for a 5% chance of tornadoes, as well as a 15% chance of damaging winds, and a 5% chance for hail as well. And if you're in the green, Spartanburg, Greenville, Anderson, Clemson, that is the 5% chance of damaging winds and the 2% chance of tornadoes up there. And so that's it in terms of today's severe weather. Let's go on and look at the models, see what the models just have to say for the rest of the day, from going all the way to 12 o'clock in the morning tonight. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning right here. I mean, just look at this line of severe storms right there. And as you continue through, this is 10 o'clock in the morning right here. 10 o'clock in the morning, it really gets a bit interesting and kind of weird. Because you start to see kind of the line, but the line kind of gets like broken up. And it will continue all the way through, all the way to 2, and then here's 3 o'clock p.m. right here. But overall, it looks a bit odd as you go all the way through. So this goes all the way right here to 3 p.m. You can see all the the thunderstorm activity here, and then you continue through some more shower activity behind it by around 6 p.m. and then maybe by around 12 o'clock in the morning, some more shower activity will still be going on near Myrtle Beach and Georgetown. But overall, it's really just staying like this for the rest of the day as it just moves through slowly but surely, and it's not looking as much as a straight line as it was earlier when we talked about it yesterday evening. It wasn't really looking like this. It was looking more like a straight line. Now it's kind of a bit more discrete, which, might mean a bigger or a bit of more tornado threat. I mean, it's possible. If you go on and look at the STP values, go on and look at the just what it's looking like, you can see that there is a chance. So that's why that 5% risk is there. So we're going to go on and pay attention to that for today. If something goes out of hand and we get like some PDS tornado warning or anything like that, I'll be here live if time permits. But overall, that slight risk is still in effect as of last night, because I recorded this the night before. The slight risk is still there. So unless it upgrades to an enhanced risk, I should be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with another forecast update. Make sure that you're there tonight. Tonight's going to be very important. We're going to be talking about the week of, obviously this week, Sunday, March the 16th, through Saturday, March the 22nd. Also St. Patrick's Day as well is also tomorrow as well. So we'll have our St. Patrick's Day forecast tomorrow as well. And that's going to wrap this up. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic rest of their Sunday. I'll be back tonight. Make sure that you're there.
Hey, yeah.